Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to show you just the local updates for Arkham USDT trading pair with my customer Grisser. Let's dive in. Guys, like you remember the main video about Arkham with the idea about $20 per coin, basically still relevant and nothing changed even with that correction. So congrats everybody who took a profit at this top because our market was still can use this indentation accumulation pump model. And after listening, I made a post about it. And yes, this is a monthly time frame. After listening, I showed you, drop it down to the OK zone to buy. So some tokens not even here. So yes, capitulation, I showed you is here. Not a capitulation, I mean the best zone to buy based around the indentation accumulation pump model. So nothing changed, right? So we tested 61 level by FIP, like SUI, say, and many other tokens, right? So WorldCoin. So we pumped it 1,300% gains from the OK zone to buy. So you could accumulate it right in this range between 35 cents till 28 cents. You can build the average entry. Fix a profit up to you. Where to fix profit, it's only up to you guys. It depends of how greedy you are, or depends of your initial deposit. So the people who invested here, for example, 1K, maybe they wait some crazy gains, But the guys who invested in OK zone to buy up to their own risk, like 10K or 100K, I definitely more than sure they fix a profit. Because it's a big risk, big money, big risk, big rewards, but guys, it's a big risk. So after that, March 2024, this is monthly time frame, we come back and test once again the zone of fixation profit. Now is like support. So this is like a support zone now, but all zones basically is still relevant. This is still the accumulation zone. This is still accumulation zone. So if we will jump again to 28 cents, it will be not some crazy surprise or so. You can open the chart of Celestia or any token which lists it on a Binance. There are over than, I guess, 20 tokens. So yes, nothing special. Technically, if we talk about the gaps, so we almost close the full field. So the full field will be around zero level. It's 65 cents. I'm not sure we will see that drop because here, this was a high. So yes, technically we count the gap from this top to this low. So we almost close the full field. If we count from that candle, right? So we're already at dump it. So we get factors. So we close the main monthly gap almost. We tested the zone of fixation profit, but now it's can play now like support zone, and we don't have any monthly gaps above. But we got order flow on the weekly time frame. So sooner or later we form something like this one, with correction or without, liquidate all that, guys. So that's it, guys, about the Arkham locally. Now, before we go into check what's going on with my customer Grisser, what else do you know? I would like to show you the data. So why $20, $10 it's still possible for Arkham, because yes, we got a vesting shadow, right? I'm not a fan of that token, just a hypothetical price movement. So it's more than real to see, you pay attention for funds and the bakers and pay attention for vesting shadow. But at this current moment, let's say it's 28% tokens unlock it. This is total supply. So next unlocks, it's not a big deal, right? So it's like 500,000 tokens, but let's count like 300 million unlock it. All right, it will be the 30%. Unlock tokens. Now the market cap 383 million. So with 300 million tokens in circulation supply, $20 is going to be 6 billion market cap. So less than Pepe reached it at the top. So that's the point. So Dog with Hats hits 4 billion market cap. So it's more than real to see, for example, $10 for Arkham. It can be just in theory, right? So we just work with possibilities. So up to you where to accumulate or where to distribute your tokens. So the zone of accumulation showed you half year ago, right? So now is it okay for you to accumulate or not? It's only up to you, up to your own risk, right? But with 300 million tokens in circulation supply, 3 billion market cap, we will see at $10. So it's more than real. But like I explained to you in previous videos, we have to pay attention for fundraising rounds and take a look at the 5 cents. It was on the Binance IAO, right, round. And unfortunately, we don't have a data about a undisclosed round where they raised it 20 million in some way 3. But I think in the future, in the next bear market, we can dump to around that IAO price. Unfortunately, yes. It's imagine the smell if we hit, for example, $10 and then dump to 5 cents. It's going to be just mind-blowing. But it's not a necessary, guys. It's not an option. It's not a rulesome. Take a look what I like and what I don't like with my custom indicator set. Monthly time frame, unfortunately, we don't have enough data for analysis. All right, weekly time frame. Take a look. This was the top. Top was let's say $3.99, right? Top, and now we can form the new pump, but form the divergence on the weekly time frame on ADZ. Direction, we don't have any signal to sell or accumulate that token. Locally, yes, we can dump even lower once again, but technically, even you see this triangle. So we got a listing, initiation, accumulation, pump model. Now we form the triangle. So it's basically impulse, correction, impulse. So that's it. And we can form the 3 drives pattern. For example, 1, 2, and 3 can be, I don't know, maybe $8, maybe 10, maybe 9. We can't know the future. We can't know the top. Market smooth. Take a look. Weekly time frame. It's really important. This was all that time period. It was the euphoria. Now it's a hope zone. So it's not a disbelief. Disbelief in here. That one, September, beginning of September, August, and now it's a hope zone. So this is not a euphoria now. Weekly time frame. Money power. Now no money inflow. So that's kind of bad. Sell, buy back. So it's positive one. And take profit indicator, what I like and what I don't like. The local pump, we can see till test $1.66. This is going to be the take profit line. Buy line at this current moment is 83 cents. But my value of that token at this current moment on the daily time frame, it's 62 cents. All of that targets more than real to see. Technically, of course, I wish to see something like this one and then drop, form something like cap and handle, that one, and skyrocket on the daily time frame. The people can draw the double bottom. The size of that double bottom should be like this one. So all that classic patterns sometimes playing out, sometimes not. So we just work with data of my custom indicator set, right? And we work with the liquidity pools. So anyway, guys, sooner or later we're gonna hit that top. So let's mark this. This is just actual highs. So sooner or later, we definitely come back and liquidate that stop losses. So this actual highs. So it's over than $2.88. But just be careful because the accumulation from this area, it can be like 100%. So after 100%, you can easily withdraw initial deposit, leave frequency. But what if we drop again to sweep that low? It can be like... for example, drop from this current price 37%, it's going to be pretty hard. And pump can be 230%. So that's a deal, guys. And also, be realistic with your expectation by price targets, because even after correction, this token made a 1,300% gains. And imagine, we not count the listing price. If we pump to 10 dollar is going to be 3,400% gains. It's more than enough at 3 billion market cap. After correction, 3,400% gains on the centralized exchanges. It's a big deal, guys. Not all the time the altcoins pump like crazy to, I don't know, 5,000% gains or 10,000% gains. You can open the chart of many altcoins during 2020 and 2021 and take a look at the gains. So this like a tips and tricks how you can identify the potential top for this altcoins, brand new one. So this is it, guys. All accumulation zone relevant, everything what my indicator shows. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what is your realistic price target for Arkham. If you'd like to trade it with my custom indicator set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.